watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 45, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Severe thunderstorm watch.
Watch includes the following counties in Texas: Collin, Dallas, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, and Rockwall. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:45 p.m. Central.
Well, that was crazy, but I'm under a severe thunderstorm watch, I think. I'm gonna check. Yeah, I think I am under a severe thunderstorm watch. So yeah, that was a severe thunderstorm watch, y'all, and see y'all next time. Peace.